You hear that up there? Not the cricket. So Crazy Bill here with the first video I just made since I had my surgery. I just got out of open heart surgery a couple weeks ago. I was in the garage. I just started throwing on clothes that were laying around. Fucking cold out. Anyways, I just got a great Dusk video. I got 4 of them. Just right off the rip, you know, regular. It's like I never left. But, whoo, I definitely can't do it like I used to. I'm out of breath just holding the camera like I was. So, anyways, here comes a good video. I mean, really, this is a good Dusk video. It starts with 1, and then I'm like, there's another one, there's another one, there's another one. Ah. So I end up getting like 4 or 5. So, alrighty. And then there'll be more later on tonight. Enjoy, you guys. These are real life UFOs. I don't know what the hell else they could possibly be. Watch them go invisible and stuff. Alright, over and out. So this is my first time back videoing since the surgery. And this is my guy. Look at him just sitting there in the tree like that. You see the birds go by? Let me unzoom it. You see him sitting in the tree? The dock? Now I'm going to pause it and walk closer. Now you see him? He's just sitting there. I haven't figured, I don't know what this is right now. I haven't done this in a while. I've been in the hospital. So this is what it looks like from a distance. You see him? And then I'm going to go slowly up on him. And that's what he looks like up close. What the fuck is that? Alien? Usually the aliens are moving around when I can never really zoom in on them too well. Let me zoom out a little bit. You see that? See where he is? He's just like hanging out over the trees. I like them. I want to be friends with these guys. I want to learn how to communicate with them. But like I said, I was in the hospital for a while, so I kind of got out of touch with them. And my camera's kind of new, so I'm still trying to figure out how to work it. But let me pause it and see how much closer I can get. I'm going to pause. Okay, I'm unpaused. I just want to show you. See, that's where I am. He's over the trees. I mean, I don't know. That could just be a regular drone. Somebody's drone. Because usually the aliens, from my experience, whenever I put the camera on them, they start zigzagging around almost. This guy's just holding dead still. So, I'm saying this guy isn't an alien. But anyways, hey, what's going on? I just want to say hi. I'm waving at him now. And I think that's enough of this gentleman for now. I'm going to go see if I can find some more. It's right at dusk. And this is where they all start popping up. This is the first one. So, I will be back, my friend. And I look straight up and look what I have right above my head. Right above my head, guys. And he's just sitting there waiting for me. Why is my thumb in the way? What happened? What happened to him? There he is. There he is. I went to go look for another one, and then all I had to do was turn my head and look straight up, and you see how this one's moving around? That's not me moving. That's more what the aliens do. But they seem to have calmed down because they know I'm not a threat. That I just want to make friends with them and learn their technology. But for some reason, they just seem to hang out around my house. So this is the second one. And then let me show you. Right behind me, there's the guy I was looking at earlier. Now I just turned the camera up. I'm going upwards towards the sky. There he is. Interesting, huh? So I'm going to pause it and go see if I can find some other ones. Pause. Now I'm at the side of the house, and here's Old Faithful. This is the third one, you guys. Let me show you what he... That's him up there. See? I'm zooming in on him. Now, this is the third one so far, and it's only dusk. I don't know exactly what time it is. See how he goes invisible like that? Isn't that so cool? Definitely alien material. But he's my friend. I don't think of him as an alien. I can only hold this position so long. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Alright. You see how he's nowhere? How it's dark, dark, dark. I'm zooming in. There he is. See that? See how he goes invisible and shit? Look, there's another one right here. There's another one right next to him. See him? So that's 4. See how this guy, he likes to stay invisible. Oh my god, and this guy's still there. But where's the one that goes invisible? I want to get them both on the same shot. Let me unzoom a little bit. Can you see any of them? Yeah. I see the one in the left-hand corner. Where's that one that goes? That went invisible. Anyways, I can only hold this position so long, so this is going to be the first video at dusk. You guys saw it. We saw 4. Watch this guy go invisible. I can't hold this position so long. I just had open heart surgery, so my mobility is limited. So, okay, over and out. I'll be back.